Do you ever get a part that you look at it and say, what am I supposed to do with this? Whether it's for R&D, repair work, or really highly experimental flow conditions, you may have to create some really impossible geometry, and that's where you can take advantage of APlus in Mastercam. APlus is a native add-on to Mastercam that integrates both additive and subtractive functionality into a single project to build on a hybrid machine. Hybrid machines have both deposition heads and cutting spindles together in the same machine, making it possible to build or repair metal parts in a single setup with a single program. For a part like ours with complex internal geometry that requires a machined internal finish, we start by adding material up to our specified height. Then we allow it to cool so we can machine areas that would be impossible to reach later when the part is complete. By programming additive and subtractive functions in the same machine and interface, you reduce programming complexity and operator effort. Programming a part like this will be very familiar to Mastercam users. Just as you would specify toolpaths for cutting, you can program material addition, including specifying the material, feeds and speeds, layer height, and more. Simulation looks the same, but now you can visualize adding and removing material back and forth as needed to understand the net result of potentially several different operations to create a single, very complex part. If you encounter the challenge of building or repairing complex metal parts, Mastercam with APlus makes it easy to precisely control the entire process from start to finish.